Well, hello, and welcome to another exciting adventure of What Am I Doing Today? Got an idea? We have one heavy-duty gate opener, two remote control openers, one connect to your phone guy, one wireless keypad for outside, 100 feet of low voltage wire, one automatic gate lock, a vehicle sensor, and a 10-watt battery charger. So, let's phew. Let's see what kind of trouble we can get ourselves into, shall we? On your marks, get set, go. Okay, so opening the first box, we have this bag, which holds the instructions, which I just opened up. And this is what's in the box. So, we will start with checking out the manual first. All right, so let's get to that. On your marks, get set. All right, well, how much fun was that? So I had to make some decisions here. I really wanted to tighten this bolt, keep it from falling off or twisting. And then looking at the different alignments on the pole straight as versus an angle to get it completely open and get the gap that you need between the device and the fence. Made me offset this a little bit. I don't have the bolts, but I will get them. But this, in a pinch, just to get this fitted, that should work. And over here, ideally I would trim this back right here. And trim these back. Not sure what I'm doing with this yet. But proof of concept. Okay, I'm gonna take a little break, get a dry shirt. As you can see, I'm a little wet. So, there we go, keep going. Any marks, get set. All right, so this is what you do to just test fit. I didn't hurt any. No screws were injured during the test fitting of this bracket. This one is good too. All these will need to be trimmed or something. That's tight. That's tight. Now what I'm working on is I'm not going to do the solar power and I'm not going to do the battery. I'm going to hardwire it. So I'm going to take all that stuff back to the store and I'm going to go buy an extension cord and a little piece of wire to hook up the transformer to the control box, and then that'll be done. It's really hot out here. Of course, just the installation of the gate. We still have to do the programming of the gate itself and the open and close, and then plus programming of each of the remote controls. Attach the lock to the other side so it actually can click. So there's still quite a bit to do. But I was going to take a break right now. It's just so hot, and it's been raining unexpectedly intermittently. But hey, Guess I could have looked at the weather report. But even so, weather doesn't stop stuff needing to get done. So let's get to it. I'm gonna pitter patter off to the Tractor Supply Center company and pick up the other parts I need, return the stuff I don't. So, I'll show you that in a minute. On your marks, get set.